We're touring a 126-acre estate in New Hampshire, and it comes with a farmhouse, a massive barn, and total privacy. Set across 126 acres of rolling fields, wooded trails, and open sky, this property offers a rare opportunity to own a true piece of New England countryside. From the moment you arrive, the landscape creates a sense of space and calm that's increasingly hard to find. The land itself is incredibly diverse. Open pastures blend into wooded areas, while a peaceful freshwater pond reflects the changing seasons. Wildlife moves freely across the property, adding to the feeling of being completely immersed in nature. At the center of it all is a classic New England farmhouse that balances historic character with modern updates. Inside, the home features 4 bedrooms, including a convenient first-floor primary bedroom and full bath. The layout is both practical and inviting, designed for comfortable everyday living. Modern improvements bring ease and efficiency, including central air, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. At the same time, the home retains the warmth and charm that make these properties so special. Just steps away stands a 34 by 60 foot 2-story barn, one of the standout features of the estate. Whether you're looking for space for animals, storage, or hobbies, this structure offers incredible flexibility. A dedicated woodworking shop with a dust filtration system is already in place, making it ideal for serious projects or creative work. Outside, the property becomes your personal retreat. Miles of land offer endless opportunities for hiking, exploring, and enjoying the outdoors. For those interested in recreation, the acreage also supports excellent hunting and wildlife observation. This is a place where mornings begin with coffee, overlooking open fields. Afternoons are spent exploring your own trails, and evenings end with wide, uninterrupted sunsets. Despite its private setting, the property is conveniently located near Lake Winnipesaukee, Mount Major, and Gunstock Mountain Resort, offering year-round recreation just a short drive away. This isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle built on space, privacy, and connection to the land.